Dear colleagues, Mr. Gangat Kode, Mr. Kishore Patelji, Mr. Sachin Chawla, and my respectable, very respected teachers, teaching staff, and other non-teaching staff, and my dear students. Now we are celebrating this as the college day, and the name which was given is Richard. And when I asked your faculty, Mr. Bhagavat, he said, because I was totally unaware, really speaking, so he said, it is creativity, basically, yes. If you think of creativity, what it means, and how it benefits our society, our college, our institution, and what way it helps the entire nation. That is the important. Creativity, when you mean, we think in the olden days or the conventional way, we think it is basically a simple thing. If we play a music system, it is a creativity. If we paint something, that painting is a creativity, no doubt. But it is having rather vast meaning, very, very vast meaning. Creativity nowadays means it is the development, it is the technology, it is how it can. I think our students are busy with other things. I would like to stop this. Thank you very much.
Members, parents, and my dear students, good evening to all. It is a great honor for me to be here today as a chief guest for this annual function. I sincerely thank the management for inviting me as a part of the wonderful celebration. Today is a day of pride, achievement, and talent. Seeing the confidence and enthusiasm of the students fills me with hope for the bright future college life. It is not only about the marks, but about building the character, confidence, and responsibility. Dear students, always remember, success comes through the hard work, discipline, and perseverance. Do not be afraid of failure. They are stepping stones of success. Keep learning, keep improving, and believe yourself. I congratulate to all the prize winners for their achievement. To those who did not to win today, do not lose heart. Your time is will come. Keep striving. I appreciate the effort of the principal, faculty members, and in guiding the shaping these young minds. I wish to institution continue success and all the students a bright, prosperous futures. फ्रेंड्स, आपण दरवर्षी ज्या प्रकारे गॅदरिंग करतो त्याप्रमाणे ह्या वर्षी कोणी करतायत येत लोक येतील जातील. आणि आज जो जोश तुमच्यामध्ये जे सर्टिफिकेट डिस्ट्रीब्युशन झाले त्याच्यामध्ये खरोखर मनापासून एक मनावा आनंद होतोय की इट इज अ ग्रेट सक्सेस फ्रॉम यू ॲज युअर मीन्स तुमची जी मेहनत केली त्याचं फळ तुम्हाला भेटते. लेडीजमध्ये सुद्धा मी भरपूर पाहिलं की खूप लोकांना जे गिफ्ट प्रेझेंट्स भेटले, सर्टिफिकेट्स भेटले. सुरुवात आहे मित्रांनो, तुमचं फ्युचर पुढं आहे आणि इथून सुरुवात करताय तुम्ही. फक्त मेहनतीची गरज आहे आणि मला वाटतं तुम्ही नक्कीच ती मेहनत कराल. आणि एक आदर्श म्हणून एक माझ्या चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्टचं सह्याद्री कॉलेज म्हणून एक आदर्श निर्माण करणार. आपल्या कॉलेजचं नाव सगळीकडे करतील याबद्दल मला मनात बिलकुलही शंका नाही. मला खात्री आहे तुम्ही ते नक्की मला ॲज अ गिफ्ट म्हणून, ॲज अ मॅनेजमेंट फॉर गिफ्ट टू अस, ते आम्हाला तुम्ही नक्की देताल याच्याबद्दल मला खात्री आहे. सर्वांना मनापासून हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. थँक्यू.
झाला देव